Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to say that it's been a little bit difficult these past couple days. Maxie, my dog that you guys have seen on my videos very frequently, she's been having seizures. Yesterday I had to take her to the vet and get a new medicine to try to control it. That wasn't working, so I had to take her to the ER, and hopefully tonight there's no more seizures, and tomorrow, no more seizures at all, hopefully. So yeah, I'm sorry if I'm a little bit down. I wish I was hyped up for this video, but I am tired. It's pretty exhausting at night, waking up scared, thinking that she's having a seizure. Any noise you hear. Seeing a seizure is very stressful and difficult, but because you wonder how they're feeling. It's just a really hard thing to watch. Anyways, I want to thank everyone that went on Instagram and showed your love for Maxie. I appreciate that very much, guys. Thank you so much for your prayers. I ask you to continue to pray for Maxie and for those in California. Thank you so much. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and hit for it to pick a winner. Where is it? How come it's not doing it? Hold on 1 second. Something's wrong here. I don't know why I can't do it. Start entering the YouTube URL. I did. Let me see. Oh, here we go. Start. And there goes all the comments. And this is for the $25 gift card. Winner is Kiki R. Congratulations, Kiki R. Please contact me through my email or Instagram. My email is the word baby and then my last name abreu22@yahoo.com. So thank you so much, everyone who participated. Thank you for all your support. You guys have a blessed day, and congratulations, Kiki.